Hello everybody, hope everybody's having a good day and a good weekend so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. This is kind of a decluttering of makeup. This is stuff that is like really old, so yeah, I just been going through my stuff, cleaning my room, and yeah, this is the stuff I am throwing away, and this is the stuff I am giving away to a friend tomorrow when they come over. There's nothing wrong with this stuff. I just bought this stuff back in December, January. I mean, this stuff is just all brand new, but I just don't use it. So she can use it, and her daughter can use it, and yeah, so, and her friends can use it if they want. So it's a win-win for me because her daughter loves makeup and perfume and everything, so they can go through it. But this is definitely going to be thrown out. I have a lot of NYC stuff. Just stuff, this really gross stuff, and yeah, like I said, I've just been going through a lot of my makeup. Most of it is basically brand new, so it's awesome. Then I have the feeling that I can throw this out, even though I don't want to. I had some LA Color. I know these were really popular at one time. I got these at my local Rite Aid down the street. They had all kinds of colors. They smell horrible, so I had to throw them out. And I just bought those not that long ago, and I gotta have to throw them out. So, but yeah, this is the stuff that I am throwing out right now. And actually, I need to throw out. It's good to go through your stuff. I thought I had more stuff that I need to throw out, but I guess I don't, guys. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.